Hello everyone, today I'll be opening my free pack I got from GameStop for being a pro member, and I also picked up these 3 singles from an online store. I picked them up for $3.50. They usually retail for $5. And then I also picked up this tint. See if I can pull something good from this free pack from GameStop. And final card. So that was my free pack from GameStop. On to the other packs. Okie dokie for final card. On to the next pack. Onto our final pack of Twilight Masquerade. Alright, onto our final pack. Of Twilight Masquerade. Alright, final packs from Twilight Masquerade. Nothing good, nothing special, but we'll take it, move on. And then the final 10. Got Scissor. And then we got 3 packs in here, so let's we got from Scarlet and Violet. We got Obsidian Flames, Scarlet and Violet base set, and then another Obsidian Flames. So 2 Obsidian Flames and then 1 from Scarlet and Violet. Let's get into it. Something back there. And we got a, oh, nice. There we go. Got a Tyranitar EX. Look at that. There we go. It's a very nice card. Now our pack from Scarlet and Violet base set. I haven't opened too many packs from this set, so don't really know the chase cards. Another muck, Professor's Research, and one card. Alright, onto our pack of Obsidian's Flames. Nice, note 10, and then the final card is, wait, I was wrong. Final card is Gita. Nice. So nothing really too special from these 7 packs. Our best pull was this Tyranitar. And then one more time, my free pack of GameStop, or free pack of the month. Not really much, not really anything big from GameStop, but we'll take that free pack. And then Best Buy coming in clutch with Tyranitar EX. Alright guys, like the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.